Hi guys!
Hi guys! We're going to SM.
We're going to SM.
Yes.
Supermarket only because
Yes.
we need to buy
In my Red and Hammer first activity.
bread and ham for his school activity. They're gonna make pizza tomorrow.
Yeah, it is some pizza.
Kanina hindi mainit ngayon. It's so hot.
Yes, it's so hot.
Maglakad na lang kasi malapit lang naman. Come! Ito kasi gusto sumama eh. We're almost there. Guys, tingnan nyo. Iba talaga si Lord. So, ito. Watch your step, baby. Iba talaga si Lord kasi ginawa niya pang shortcut. Yan, iba pumasok kami. Simbahan yan doon siya, guys. Alright, come on. Hindi ko mainit. Ayan, tapos exit lang kami. Diyan lang sa dulo. Yan, exit na kami. Tingnan niyo. Yan na, SM na yan. Shortcut ba?
Wow.
Wait. Yan, SM na yan guys. Ayan. Tan. Diba? Fight na Lord. We're here na. Hi!
Hi. Come back in SM.
Ito na. Lakad lang kami sa entrance. Oh. Look, baby. Come on. Put it inside. One more. Okay.
It's so cold.
Meron naman tayong tomato sauce or ketchup sa mayo sa house. I think meron din
Mommy,
cheese.
it's too cold.
Let's go. Let's find some snacks.
What are they doing?
This one. Do you want? Not the chocolate. Yan, good job. Go. Come on.
Hey.
Hey, come on. Ready pa daw guys.
Oh, wow.
Pwede na to.
For babies. Hi guys, we're looking for bean snacks. We're just looking for bean snacks, and I have a little milk right here. Good is good. Hey, sweet good. So, oh, that's so funny. Oh, wow, wow, for basketball. What? That's sad. That's nice. Hey. STUB.
Here you guys, way free. Gusto ko siyang bilhin dahil sa free. Freebie. Pero hindi naman umiinom cereal ng Chucky. No. We don't need it. No.
Found it.
Yeah. Go get one. There's no blue Yakult. No blue Yakult for Lolo. Right here. Let's try na lang this one for Brain. This one guys, yogurt.
Wow, I
For
like
Brain.
it.
Do you like it too?
Yeah, I want to eat it.
Okay.
Wow,
Okay, one more.
I'm so excited.
One for you and one for Brain.
Yes,
Go.
we got it in.
Cheese bites, you found. You found cheese bites?
Yeah, it's
Okay, let's go pay. Let's pay na. We're done. Let's go home na. Ay, wow. May patago ka, be? Sabi niya, no. We need to buy ice cream pa. How do you ask properly? Hindi siya marinig, guys. Ice cream, please. Ice cream, please. Sige, pagbigyan. Come on. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Eat mo lang kami ice cream. Ice cream day. Ice cream day. Kuya sabi, mini vanilla ng maling brown. Itong puso.
Ice cream.
So, ang goal is, naglakad papunta ng SM para mapagod siya, para matulog. Pero nag-ice cream. So, let's see. Sinong mananalo? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
We're just gonna finish this and then we'll go home. Okay?
We can finish this so we can go home, okay?
Muna.
Okay.
Kain.
Bye. Oh, there's the video by eating.
But I need my hand, so you have to stop the video first. Okay, bye. Guys, nakatulog. Sinundo na kami ng sasakyan kasi sobrang init. Tapos nakatulog siya. Yay! Yan, tapag ko lang. Okay, yan lang. Bye guys!